Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals, and today what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Ulanzi triple cold shoe mount for your Smooth Q gimbal. Now, side note, this will also work for any other accessories you have as well. My main reason for picking this up, however, is because I wanted to add the ability to add different accessories to my Smooth Q gimbal, which I'm in the process of reviewing right now. And that's actually one of the things that I dislike about the Smooth Q gimbal, is that you can't mount additional accessories out of the box. So hopefully after attaching this, that should solve that issue. And stay tuned to the end of the video, because I'll have pictures of the different ways that you can use this in multiple different configurations with your smart devices. Now, without further ado, let's jump into this video. Now, starting off, let's go over the packaging and the overall presentation. Now, as I always do, I already cut all the tapes and seals, so hopefully there should be minimal struggles on this one. Now, talking about the overall presentation, I have to say Ulanzi has done a great job here. Got some company branding up top here, letting you know exactly what the product is as well. So, triple cold shoe mount in 2 different languages, English and Chinese. Then you got a nice little picture of the product here, and letting you know that this is a 3-piece set right here. Then if we flip it to the side, again you just have the same thing, letting you know again it's a triple cold shoe mount in English and Chinese. Alright, and then if we flip it to this side, we got more company branding right there. Alright, and if we flip it over here, we got the company slogan right there as well. Boom. And then if we flip it back here, we got some more information, the company website, and some barcode information here as well. So, talking about this bad boy in terms of overall presentation, Ulanzi, you guys did a great job. Now let's dive deeper into this box and see what this bad boy is looking like. Okay, so let's crack into this real quick. Opens over here. Slide this out. Here we have it inside of a nice little thick piece of styrofoam. Let's see if there's anything else that comes in the box. Nope, box is empty. Throw that off to the side. Let's keep it moving. So here we have a hot shoe mount right here with some company branding on it. That looks good. And it does have a thread on the bottom as well. So this should be able to mount to your different tripods or what have you, and then you can mount your different microphones or your different lights thanks to these hot shoes. So good stuff there, and I'm feeling that company branding. Really nice touch. Throw that down this way right there. Then we have our bar here. Okay, so just a nice little 2-piece bar, again giving you the ability to mount different things. Now I think this was packaged upside down. I do believe it's supposed to go like that. So you can mount a tripod here or mount a tripod there, and this part actually swivels. So you can actually put your tripod here, put your tripod there, mount a microphone here, put a smartphone mount there, so on and so forth. Now the neat thing is, either one of these sides can get screwed into the bottom of my Smooth Q gimbal, and then I could add additional accessories, and I can mount it this way so it's facing front, or I can mount it this way so it's facing the rear. So really good stuff there. Okay, whoops, dropping stuff. Okay, so y'all, I think that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions of the Ulanzi triple hot shoe mount. Alright, now I hope y'all enjoy these quick little photos of the different ways that you can configure this bad boy. And also, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals will get notified when I publish new videos. And if your interest is piqued, all the links to where y'all can pick up this product will be available down below in the video description. So if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. This whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing primary 13 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy M20 in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second. And all of the audio was recorded using the Comica V30 Lite shotgun style microphone. So please let me know what you think of the video quality and the overall audio quality down below in the comments. Your feedback is greatly appreciated. That being said, I hope y'all enjoy the end of this, and I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everyone.